Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can buy more storage on Google Drive. So in here I've already on my Google Drive, and as you guys can see here, my storage is full and I need to get more storage to use the Google Drive properly. So what you need to do is just click on the red button to get more storage. So let's click on this button, and after that, after you click on that, you'll be directed to the Google One plans, and in here Google One offer me some discount so that I can get discount for the storage. So for example, in here, this is the basic one, standard, and the third one is premium. So you can get up to 2 terabytes in the premium, but for the basic you can get 100 gigabytes, so for 2 months. So let's for example just click on this to get the offer. Just click on continue. Just wait, and in here Google One will ask you to proceed with the payment. You'll be directed to the Google Play, and here you can just choose the payment method. If you want to change it, just click on the drop down. So in here there are lots of options. You can also use credit or debit card, you can use the e-money, and also you can, if you have a redeem code, you can use it. And after that you can just click on subscribe, and after that you'll get the storage on Google Drive. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click